Welcome. I am Shakti, Assistant Professor, Department of Hotel Management, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukottai. Now I am going to introduction to the pastry. What is pastry? Pastry is the term pastry comes from the word pasty, meaning in this case a mixture of flour, liquid, and fat. Pastry refers both to various pasters or dough and to many products made from this dough. Kinds of pastry. What is pastry? A large variety of packed crusts made from dough rich in fat. Five examples of pastry: cream puffs, puff pastry, Danish and French pastries, rich yeast and cake type sweet rolls, pies. The main types of pastry. There are two main types in the pastry. Number one, plain pastry. Number two, puff pastry. What is plain pastry? Golden brown flaky, blistered surface. That is the examples. Tender. Last one, usually used for pies. Puff pastry examples: extra rich, extra flaky, used for special pie or fancy tarts. Ingredients for good pastry. What is this? This is how to identify good how to identify good pastry. So only ingredient for good pastry: all-purpose flour, a fine fat, usually vegetable shortening and or lard, a small amount of water, 2 teaspoons for each 1 cup of flour, and salt. Ingredients for good pastry. Another continue purpose of flour in a recipe. Gluten of the flour from the structure of the pastry. Which fats are used to make pastry? Vegetable shortening or lard? Why wouldn't to use butter or margarine? The produce a less tender pastry. A lard produces the most tender pastry. Oil makes a mealy pastry. Ingredients for good pastry. Purpose of water in pastry. Purpose of water in pastry provides moisture needed to develop gluten. Purpose of salt in pastry contributes to the flavor of pastry. Has no influence on flagginesses or tendernesses. Function of pastry ingredients. What are the functions of pastry ingredients? Following these functions of flour. Soft plain flour is used for short crust. Pastry to give it a short crumb. Strong plain flour is used in chokes and flaky or raw of pastry as it contains more gluten. Contains more gluten. This is need to make the dough and give the pastry elasticity. Give the pastry elasticity. Functions of fat. Fat shortens the mixtures in short crust. It traps air between the layers in flaky pastry. It adds color and flavors. Baking blend. When making tarts, quixes, and flans, you often bake the pastry blend. This is when you blend the raw pastry with grazer proof paper, and packing beans to prevent the pastry from rising. After 15 minutes, you remove the paper and beans and cook the pastry case for 5 to 10 minutes more until it's golden brown. Functions of pastry ingredients. Functions of water. The uses of boiling water in chokes pastry is very important. The gelatinous, the starch casing. The dough to kitchen. The water blends the ingredients together. It develops the gluten in flaky and choked pastry preparation timetables given below. Some examples of pastry items. This is one very famous. Next one, the pastry items. This is one cakes items. This also. Thank you.